Unleash your battle power. AORUS M6 wireless gaming mouse. This is not just a mouse. This is your weapon. Key features: real 26,000 DPI optical engine, up to 650 inches per second tracking speed, 50G acceleration, 1 millisecond low latency, 2.4 GHz wireless technology, ultra lightweight design, 50 million click Omron switches, RGB lighting, on-the-fly DPI adjustment, fully programmable buttons, surface lift-off calibration, true ambidextrous design, built for battle, engineered for victory. Real 26,000 DPI optical sensor at its core. An enthusiast-grade 26,000 DPI optical sensor, capable of tracking up to 650 IPS, handling up to 50G acceleration. Every flick, every micro adjustment, every clutch moment, captured with absolute precision. Fine-tuned sensitivity and precise 50 DPI increments, so your transition feels seamless, natural, deadly accurate. 26,000 DPI, 650 IPS, 50G acceleration. No compromise, no hesitation. On-the-fly DPI adjustment, adapt instantly, with a single press. Switch DPI in real time, from pixel-perfect sniping, to aggressive close-range combat, speed, on demand. Surface calibration, your surface, your rules, through GIGABYTE Control Center. Tune the liftoff distance, and optimize sensor responsiveness for maximum accuracy on your exact mousepad. Precision, tailored to you. 1 millisecond low latency, 2.4 GHz wireless. Cut the cord. Dominate wirelessly. With 1 millisecond low latency, 2.4 GHz wireless technology, environmental interference and transmission delay are eliminated. What you move happens instantly. Smooth, stable, uninterrupted, lightweight design, only 74 grams, even with a built-in battery, lighter than most wired mice. Move faster, react quicker, play longer. And despite its lightweight body, it maintains a medium to large form factor, with a dedicated DPI button and full RGB lighting. Lightweight, without sacrifice. Ambidextrous design, symmetrical, balanced, built for both hands. Ergonomic comfort, dual pairs of side buttons, total control, left or right. RGB lighting, 16.7 million colors. Multiple lighting effects, customize your identity. Synchronize with your setup through GIGABYTE Control Center. More advanced features, right? We're talking about 50 million click Omron switches here. Premium Japanese Omron switches. They're crisp, tactile, and super responsive. Rated for over 50 million clicks, these switches are seriously built for the grind, built to last. And get this, 74 hours of battery life. That's up to 74 continuous hours of peak wireless performance. No interruptions, no limits, just stay in the game. Fully programmable buttons. Yeah, every button is customizable. Assign macros, configure commands, and save your settings directly to onboard memory. Your setup, it actually travels with you. Plus, it's NVIDIA Reflex certified, which means it's optimized for system latency. You get faster target acquisition, quicker reaction times, and sharper aim precision. When milliseconds decide the outcome, you're totally ready. High-quality paracord cable, so, battery running low, just plug in and keep fighting. The detachable paracord cable is lightweight, tangle-free, and ultra-durable, so you can charge without stopping the battle. And with the GIGABYTE Control Center, you've got one unified control platform. Adjust your DPI, customize buttons, sync lighting, all in real time. Now, quick guide. We'll set it up fast. Power, wireless, charging, and DPI indicators. First things first. Power. Before your first match, fully charge the mouse. A depleted battery takes about 3 hours to reach full charge, and if the mouse hasn't been used for a long time, you may need to recharge it before you jump back in. Connect it through USB. This charges the battery, and it also works as wired mode while you play. When charging starts, right after the cable is connected, the DPI indicator shows a static green light for 5 seconds. That's your charging confirmed signal. Next, activation. Plug in the receiver. Option 1, use the Type-C receiver directly in a Type-C port. Option 2, use the Type-C receiver with the Type-C to Type-A adapter, then plug it into a standard USB Type-A port, then flip the bottom switch on the mouse. Power on. You're live. Charging is simple. Just connect the cable to the mouse's Type-C port. From there, go to a charger using Type-C. Or, use the Type-C to Type-A adapter if your power source is Type-A. Pro tip, if you're mid-session and the battery is low, just plug in and keep playing. No downtime. No excuses. Now, battery warnings. If battery is under 5%, red light flashes continuously. Under 10%, red flashes for 5 seconds. Under 20%, Red flashes for 5 seconds. From 20 to 99%, no effect. And, at 100%, a static green light shows in charging mode. DPI color codes: 800 DPI, default, white, 1600, yellow, 3200, cyan, 6400, magenta. You can cycle DPI with the DPI button, or fine-tune your sensitivity inside GIGABYTE Control Center. Final screen, specs and loadout, interface, USB Type-C, and 2.4 GHz wireless, sensor gaming optical, PixArt 3395, sensitivity, 50 to 26,000 DPI, with 50 DPI increments for precision tuning, report rate, 125, 500, or 1000 Hz, maximum acceleration, 50 G, maximum tracking speed, 650 inches per second, switch life, 50 million clicks, battery life, up to 74 hours, color, matte black, cable length, 1.8 meters, dimensions, 126.6 by 66.8 by 38.3 millimeters, weight, 74 grams, plus or minus 5%, in the box, user manual, quick guide, 1.8 meter paracord, charging cable, Type-C to Type-C, Type-C receiver, and a Type-C to Type-A adapter. And that's it. Charged, connected, calibrated, and ready. Now let's jump back into the gameplay montage and put the AORUS M6 to work. Unleash your battle power. Own the fight. Alright, it's unboxing time. Let's see what's inside and what makes this product special. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.